Hey guys, gonna do a quick in-depth tour slash bit of a review of a 2006 Subaru Legacy 2.5i Limited. The car comes with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder boxer engine, or flat 4 as they like to say as well. It's got a 4-speed shiftable automatic transmission and originally had 175 horsepower, 169 foot-pounds of torque. Sure, it's a little down now. Exterior color is silver brilliant metallic. Those are stock 17-inch alloy wheels. This one's has them painted black with plasti dip. Adds a little personal touch, but also helps protect in the winter time from chips and dings. Alright, so let's get a look inside, check out interior, and start it up, see how it sounds. Inside we got a black on silver interior. Got some silver inserts here. Dash is black, sorry for the glare, hopefully it's not too bad. Doors are black with some more silver accenting. Alright, so here we are inside. I'm not going to start it up just yet because, as anyone who owns one of these Subarus knows, the seatbelt ding noise gets very annoying. So here we got the turn signal. You got your side markers as well as brights right there. Side markers I actually wired into the LEDs that we will see later on. Here you got your window wipers. You can control the settings for faster, slower. That's a nice little luxury in a Subaru, I guess you can say. No rain sensing. It's not a Mercedes, guys. Overall, the materials in here are pretty hard. I mean, it's not really soft touch, but it looks nice. Silver accents. You got automatic controls here for all the windows, your locking. Here you got your manual adjustments for the side mirrors. You got your vents. It's very sunny today, very untypical here in Illinois. You got your sun visors, a little mirror action going on here. Got your interior lights up top. This control is actually for the sunroof. Go forward, backward. This is just to tilt it up and down. Here's the dashboard. Center console. Radio. Here you got some storage. Well, there's a warning label that items can overheat in here, so don't put your iPass in there. CD player, this is a single CD player. Radio, 6 memory radio. Air conditioning, heater, obviously. You got some more storage in here. You can also put your phone charger right there. You got your glove box. Pretty typical crap in there. You got some more storage right here. I put my coins in there. You got your cup holders. They, however, have gum. And you got your big bin storage right here. As I said, this is a 4-cylinder 2.5 liter engine. This is the limited edition, so it's got a 4-speed automatic manual transmission. Got your e-brake right here. Alright, so I guess I'll start it up for you guys, show you the cluster as it lights up, and then we'll go outside, listen, and see the lights as well. Alright, let's start this baby up. So I'll turn on these lights here. Take a look at the trunk later. There's for your gas, and the engine is down here. Shabam. Let's take a gander. Alright, so as I showed you guys, I got LEDs here, HID lights, painted real black as well as customized the headlights. Let's take a look at the engine. Typical Subaru Boxer engine. Originally it had 175 horsepower, 169 foot-pounds of torque, but obviously with its age it's probably got a little less now. Just did a tune-up, so she's running well. Got your oil, got your battery. I got a little extra wires here for my HIDs and things like that. Try to keep it clean as best I can. So yeah, all pretty stock. So take a look at the trunk. Here's the rear of the car. Take a look at that ass. Alright, here's the trunk. It's pretty good space. I mean, I don't have a family or anything, so for me this is pretty adequate. Just keep basics in here. Groceries of ramen noodles. Usually doesn't take up much room, so yeah. Let's take a quick look in the back here. Got your nice little armrest. You can fold that down for skis or snowboards. Whatever floats your boat here. There you go. Great for ski trips. In the back we got some nice little cup holders. Nothing too fancy. Hopefully that'll be bright enough so you guys can see it. I also forgot the front seat is electric. Only the front driver's seat. This car also does pretty good with gas mileage, despite the fact that it's 7 years old. I'm averaging about 23 city. Highway I get about 31 miles a gallon, so got pretty good leg room as well. Headroom's pretty good for me, sitting straight up. There's the sunroof. Yeah. Your tailpipes. Double tailpipes. This is all-wheel drive, as most Subarus are standard all-wheel drive. So yeah, this car has been real good to me. It's treated me pretty well. Gotta love driving it in the snow here in Illinois. If you guys got any other questions, just message me, subscribe, whatever you guys do. This is my first video on YouTube, so yeah, see you later.